How much silver you got? I bet it's too much. Before you stack one more ounce of silver, stop and think about this. How much silver do you have? Because I bet it's too much. Right now, silver's price looks exciting, but history says we're standing at the edge of another classic correction in price. That means price broke out and it's going down. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. Last month's winner was Kevin from Kentucky. He took home a 10th ounce of gold. Click that link I left down below. Be that next winner. Now, look at this. Here's the truth. Every silver rally since 2011 has ended the same way. A sharp pullback. Look at the numbers. In 2020, silver hit $29 an ounce. Then it fell 9% in a week. Listen to this. It then slid another 20% before stopping that drop. It's not bad luck. That's a pattern. Every breakout sparks euphoria. YouTube videos, Reddit hype, to the moon talk, but within weeks, it reverses. And that's because traders and big funds, they cash out fast. You can even say they cash out first. They're taking profits, and silver stackers like you and I, we're rushing in. We're doing the opposite. It's the same we saw in 2011. Silver ran up to $48, $49, and then it crashed down 40% in just 2 months. 40%. So when you buy at the top, like we are at right now, you're not stacking. Technically, you're sinking, because when silver drops, dealers don't lower premiums right away. In fact, they raise them. They make it even harder to break even. That's the only way that they can break even. That's it. So if spot falls 15%, premiums stay high. You could be down 25% before you even think about selling. Here's some more data. In 2021, silver spot fell from $27 to $22, but the average bullion premiums doubled from about $3.50 to nearly $7 an ounce. That means holders lost on both sides. That's why smart stackers don't chase rallies. They wait for the correction when everyone else is scared. Silver's long-term story is strong, it is, but the short-term, it's flashing warning signs. Look at investor sentiment for silver ETFs. They took billions just a few months ago, and now they're seeing their largest weekly redemptions since 2021. Their largest. And that means big players are taking money out of silver, they're not putting it in. So you add to that softer industrial demand, because the World Silver Survey, they report a 2% drop in electronics and a 4% dip in solar this year. We didn't see that coming. That's demand cooling off. And when demand slows, investors pull back. Silver tends to overcorrect before finding its next real bottom line. Before you brag about the stack you just picked up, if you're loading up at these highs, history says you might be stacking into a storm. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.